What's going on, guys? DIYAndrewFlockhart, and today I'm showing you guys how quick and easy it is to change out your stock tail lights on a 2019 and up Chevy Silverado with brand new Auxito LED bulbs. Let's get into it. So once you've lowered your tailgate, that's going to expose these two hex bolts. You're going to go ahead and take both those out, and then you'll be able to take this headlight assembly and pull it right off. So in order to get this out, all you're going to do is you're going to pull back a little bit on the inside here. That's going to release it. Then you can pull straight out, and that'll release the grommets. So the way that these headlights pull out is all you're doing is you're connecting this little piece right here into this black connector, and it's just a rubber piece that it slides right in and holds it in place. So now that we have the taillight assembly out, we can go ahead and remove the bulb. All you're going to do is you're going to turn counterclockwise until you hear a click. Once you hear that click, you're going to be able to pull it right out, and there is your bulb. So in order to get this bulb out, all you're going to do is you're going to pull straight out on it. It'll disconnect. You're going to take this bulb, you're going to put it aside. We're going to grab our new bulb. We're going to slide it into place. And that is it. That's how quick and easy it is to change out these bulbs. Now, in order to test this bulb, I've got a sweet trick for you guys, which I'm going to show you right now. So this is one of my favorite tricks, guys. Once you get into the settings in your Silverado, you're going to click trailer lights. And if you didn't already know this, it'll start cycling your trailer lights on and off. So this will also work if you're just checking all of your lights on your truck, not just your trailer. So if you go ahead and click start, it's going to start actually going through all of your different settings on here, and you can just go ahead and you can check all your lights while this is running in the background to make sure everything is going, and you don't need two people to do this. So now that we've ensured that this bulb is working properly, we can go ahead and reassemble everything. So it's just everything in reverse, guys. Go ahead and throw that bulb in there, turn it clockwise, click it into place till it's snug. So you're going to want to ensure that these two are lined up. When you're pushing on it, don't force it. It should go in nice and easily. Now that we have the tail light in place, we can go ahead and reinstall these screws. If you guys are interested in purchasing these bulbs, there is a link in the description below. So here's the new taillights, guys, by Auxito. They are unbelievably bright. I'm super happy with how they turned out, and it was extremely easy and quick in order to get these installed. If you guys are interested in any other lighting videos, there's a link to the headlight video in the top right corner, as well as how to install this hidden light bar in the grill up in that top right corner. So check those out. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Until next time, take care.